Okay, so I will show you here how to make the most delicious ribs out of wild hog. I was already started when I decided to make this video. So what you see here is the ribs being vacuum packed with the ingredients on the screen, and I'll sous vide it for 145 degrees for 22 hours and 165 degrees for 2 hours. When I'm done cooking them in the sous vide, I'm gonna crisp them up over some really hot charcoals on my Weber. And I'm inside again, and it's time to get the ribs out of the sous vide. And I do apologize because all the shaking and back and forth on the video, but it's really hard to record a one-handed cooking video. Anyway, here they come up, and now the meat is cooked. All we need to do is get it out of the bag and get it on the grill. It really smells delicious at this point. The thyme gives it a really nice touch. I love thyme on my wild game meat. So this is how you want the charcoals to look before spreading them out. Yeah, that hurt right there. They need to be really, really, really hot, so we can give it a nice char really quick without drying out the meat too much. I don't want the meat to stick to the grill, so I like to spray the actual meat instead of, see here, instead of spraying the grate, because even though it's more fun to spray the grate, it's probably not as effective. And you heard the little click test there. Have to do the click test. Got the ribs on the grill, and I'm gonna give them a little bit of heat before adding barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce because just to get a little caramelization of the sugar. So first I'm gonna give them until they are as crisp as I want them. Yeah, it is so hot. Almost there, need a little more. Here we go, we should be ready, and look at that. Does that not look good or what? Ready for a little bit of barbecue sauce, not too much. I use Ray's. That's my favorite. It's everybody's favorite. Just a thin layer. And again, sorry about the in and out with the camera, but it is very difficult to record one-handed. I need a camera stand. Yep, there we go. And a little bit on the other side. Spread it out good. And flip them around and just give them enough for that barbecue sauce to caramelize without burning. And there you go. Nice. And we're inside again. I'm gonna pull out the bones and just make a cut to show you how the meat looks. It's not as tender as traditional baby back ribs, of course, but it's pretty much very close to the spare ribs, the regular spare ribs, not from a wild hog, but the regular spare ribs I sometimes make. It is absolutely delicious. So here you go. That was how to make the best ribs ever from a 165-pound wild boar.